Okay, second grade, I'm going to share my screen and we are going to, sorry, I want to make sure that I'm sharing sound. I hope this works. Okay, I hope everyone can see me. So yesterday in Spalding, we went over these first 10 spelling words. And today we are going to continue on with the next 10. So I'm doing mine in my practice paper, but you will be doing yours in your Spalding notebook. If you don't have this notebook, please go to the office at KTA and tell them that you still need a Spalding notebook. Okay, so yesterday we had these 10 words. We ended at I and I. In your notebook, you are going to begin writing in the very next column. So here are the words we did yesterday. You are going to write your next 10 words over here on this side. Okay? I'm going to get my paper ready. I know that I have a sharpened pencil because that's something that's really important in Spalding, is that you have a sharp pencil. The last thing I'm going to grab is my book. And then let's get started. Okay. So our next word is the word glass. Okay. Let's do sounds for the word glass. G-O-A-S. Glass. Write it down. Mark it up. And if you think there's a rule, write the rule down. If you need to pause this video because I'm going too fast, you can pause. But now I'm going to do sounds and write down the word myself, okay? So I want to try to pretend to hear you. So you say the sounds for the word glass. Ready? Say it with me. Ready? G. O. Ow. What's the word? Glass. What's the rule? Rule 17? Next word, right underneath glass, we're going to write the word party. So remember, in Spalding, Y is like a tricky letter. So for syllables, we'll say par, ti. Par, ti. The word is party. Write it, mark it, rule it. Okay, now it's your turn. Say the syllables back to me, and I'll write down the word. Par, ti. I'm going to underline the phonogram R. What's the word? Party. What's the rule? Rule 6. Underneath party, I'll write the next word. Our next word is pretty familiar because we're doing a fairy tales unit. The word is upon. Ready? Syllables are up, on. Upon. Write it, mark it, rule it. Okay. It's your turn to see the syllables back to me. On. Any markings? Mm-mm. Any rules? Mm-mm. What's the word? Upon. Nicely done, second grade. After upon is when things get a little bit. The next word is two. I'm holding up the sounds for the word two. For spelling, we say t, w, oo. We probably once said two sounding the W, as we still do in the words like twin and twice, and 12 and 20 and between, each of which relates to the word two. But I mean, like, I had 2 slices of pizza for dinner. W-oo, 2. Write it, mark it, rule it. Okay, now it's my turn. The sounds for the word two. W-oo. Markings, W twice, because this W, as we pronounce it, is silent. And then O says its third sound, so we'll make a sweet little tiny little 3 above the O. What's the word? Two. You say two. Good. What's the rule? There's no rule, Miss Holden. Underneath two, we're going to write twin. Twin. She had a twin brother. T-w-i-n. Twin. Write it, mark it, rule it. All right, my turn. Say the sounds with me. T-w-i-n. Twin. Any markings? No. Any rules? No. What's the word? Twin. Nice job. You say twin. Good. Underneath the word twin, we'll write the word twice. Like, twice I went to the bathroom. T-w-i-s-e. Twice. Write it, mark it, rule it. Okay, your turn. I want to hear the sounds for the word twice. Say it with me. T-w-i-s-e. Markings? Yes, you're right. I'm going to mark I, C, and E. Because this is a final silent E that makes the I say its own name twice. Good. Rule? There's no rule for twice. Good job, second grade. Underneath the word twice, I will now write the word 12. I'm going to need a lot of extra fingers. Ready? T-w-o-v-e. 12. I'll do it again. T-w-o-v-e. 12. Write it, mark it, rule it. Okay, your turn. I want to hear you say all the sounds for the word 12. Ready? Say it with me. T-w-o-v-e. E, I'm sorry, not e. T-w-o-v-e. What's the word? 12. Markings. Nice job. V, E twice, job 2. Any rules? No rules for the word 12. Underneath 12, we'll write the word 20. For spelling, we'll say syllables like this. Ready? Twen-te. Twen-te. Te. When you are 20 years old, your name will begin with a 2. 20. Okay, second grade, your turn. Let's hear syllables for the word 20. 20. Nice job. Any markings? What's the word? 20. You say 20. Good. Rule 6. Okay. Under 20, we'll write another word. That word is between. Ready? Between. Write it, mark it, rule it. Use the phonogram. Oh, I'm so sorry. Use the phonogram that says E. So B and then T, W, E, N, between. Your turn. Syllables for between. B, T, ween. Markings. E first syllable says its name. Phonogram E. Word, between. Say between. Good. Rule 4. E says its name at the end of a syllable. Nice job. We have one more to do, second grade. After between, this one's so easy. After between is the word they. They picked me up from school right on time. They. A. They. Write it, mark it, and rule it. Okay, I want to hear the sounds for the word they. A. Nice job. Markings. Phonogram V. Second sound, so we're going to put a 2 above the T and H. And then another phonogram, A. What's the word? They. Say they. Good. Any rules? No rules. Now we're going to read for spelling and read for reading. These are our 10 words we're putting in today. Remember, when we read for spelling, we do sounds. With syllables, we say syllables. Words that end in Y are usually ends when for spelling, eh. Okay? Let's do it all together. I want to hear you do this with me. Okay? G-O-A-S. Glass. Par-ti. Party. Up, on, upon. T-w-oo. Two. T-w-i-n. Twin. T-w-i-e. Twice. T-w-e-o-v-e. 12. 20. 20. Between. Between. A. They. Now let's go back to the top. Read for reading. Glass. Party. Upon. 2. When. Twice. 12. 20. Between. They. What did I forget to do? Anybody knows? I bet some of you know. I forgot to put a bracket between all of these words. Start at 2. Go all the way down to between. There you go. Really nice work, second grade. I'm super proud of all of you. Keep going, okay? Today is different, but it's gonna be okay.